Okay, so we are starting our new statistics units. We're going to talk about three main ideas: mean, median, and mode. We're going to do one example for each that's kind of just some general numbers, and then we're also going to do one example using the numbers that you guys sent in to me about how long you spend on your phone each day, how long you spend babysitting each day, that sort of thing. So you guys don't have a packet for this, so just do your best to copy down what I do on here on your own paper at home. So we're going to start with mean. If you've heard the word average before, they're the same thing. So mean, same thing as average, which basically means it's like the center most typical value, which is kind of vague. It's hard for me to describe in words, but hopefully the math process is going to make a decent amount of sense. So one way that you can think about mean is saying that mean is all the numbers of a data set added together. Do that first, and you divide that by how many numbers there are. So in this case, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add up all the numbers in this set for number one. So first, we're going to do 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11, which gives us 2 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11, which gives us 44. And then, second, we have to do 44 divided by how many numbers there are. So in this case, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So we're going to do 44 divided by 6, which is divided by 6 is 7.333 forever. So we're just going to round it to 7.3. So that means that the most typical value for this data set is 7.3. It's kind of hard to tell what that number means when you don't have units attached to it, so hopefully this second example makes a little more sense. So our second example is, zoom out. We're finding the mean of how many hours our class spends babysitting each day. So we're trying to think the average person in our class, how long do they babysit each day? Do they not babysit any hours? So that'd be 0 here. Maybe they only babysit 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 5, or some of our students are even saying you're babysitting for 10 hours a day. So, same thing as we did up here is we first have to add up all the numbers. So, we're going to do 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10. And that equals, clear, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10. That gives us 34. Okay. And then what we have to do next is do 34 divided by how many numbers do we have total? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 numbers total. So we'll do 34 divided by 13, and that equals 2.6153 and a bunch of other numbers. So again, we're going to round to just do 2.6. So what this means is that, timer's going off. This means that the average student in our class babysits 2.6 hours per day. That is the average or the mean of our numbers. So we'll have you do some practice problems, but hopefully that gives a good start.